I'm Ryan from iThemeland, bringing you unmatched WordPress and WooCommerce expertise. If you are a manager of a WooCommerce store, it must be one of your significant concerns to show the price of simple and variable products in a way that is more attractive to your customers. In this tutorial, you will learn how to show and customize the product price in the table by the WooCommerce Product Table plugin. Step 1. Add the price column to the table. To show product price to your customers, first, try to add a price column to the table by following these instructions. First, go to the Columns tab. Press the Add a Column button to add a new column to the table. In the cell contents box of the new column, you're going to choose Add Element to see the list of elements in the left panel, and then find price among the elements and click on it to see the customization options in the element setting panel divided into General and Style tabs. Let's check out the result. And now you can see the price for each product. Now let's see how we can show product prices in the table by changing the configuration settings in the General and Style tabs. Step 2. Edit the price column by the General tab. Some options are designed in the General tab to let you customize its template. So let's review them. Use the default WooCommerce price template. This option at the beginning of the General tab allows you to set the default template of WooCommerce to show the product price in the table. If you mark the first option, the price will be displayed based on the price template of WooCommerce in the table, and no further configuration is available to customize. However, if you keep this option unmarked, the other items for personalizing the price templates will be displayed. Price template. This item is important when you want to customize how to show regular prices on the table. Now, by default, the regular price element is added to this template. However, you can change it by adding a new element to be displayed in the table. In order to show a new element in the price column, first you should click on the trash icon at the regular price element, then click on the Add Element option, and then choose one of the following elements: HTML, special code for customizing the price content, icon, choose an icon from the list to display in the price column, media image, add an image from the library or upload any image to show in the cell content. Regular price. Let the plugin to show the regular price of WooCommerce products in the column. Text. Write any message to display in the cell content to the customers. For example, choose text and write regular price and add an element and then choose regular price. Now click on save and let's check it out. As you can see, we have regular price before the price. Sale price template. By default, the sale price and regular price are displayed in this column. However, by following the previous 4 steps, you can change these elements and replace them with the new elements. Dot. Add dots between elements. HTML. Use a special HTML code. Highest price. Show the highest price among the different prices of variations. Icon. Show an icon to the customers. Lowest price. Show the lowest price among the different prices of variations. Media image. Show an image. Regular price. Display the regular price of the product in the cell content. Sale price. Display the sale price in the column. Space. Add space between elements. Text. Show your customized message to the customers. For example, we can add a text between sale price and regular price. For that, click on Add Element and choose Text and add the pipeline symbol. Now drag it and drop it between sale price and regular price. Alright, save your changes and let's go check out what happened. As you can see, there is the pipeline symbol between regular and sale price. Variable and grouped product template. This template is useful when you want to show different prices for the variations of your products in the table. By default, the price of variable products in your online store is set to be displayed from the lowest price to the highest price. However, you can customize it by following the same steps and choose one or more of the available elements from the list. .html, highest price, icon, lowest price, media image, space, and text. Step 3. Edit the price column in the Style tab. In this tab, you can change the style of the price column in the table. The most important configurations in this tab are related to font settings, alignment settings, border settings, and etc. For example, we can set a color for that. Now let's check out the result. As you can see, the color of price is changed.